Welcome to project video number 3 at Heritage Eagle Bend Golf Club. In this video we will detail the reopening of holes 4 and 5. On top of main lines being completed on these two holes during the closure, the extensive work to hole 4 over the last 2 months has been completed, and we believe the result to be fantastic. As referenced in video number 2, the main reason for the shutdown was for the installation of the new stormwater drainage pipes. The pipe crossing the middle of the fairway was completed and resodded middle of March. The pipe crossing the approach was much more delicate and time-consuming considering the depth and difficulty between the houses. Safety for the crew and precision digging was our main focus, both achieved beautifully by Landscapes Unlimited. Both pipes were raised by approximately 5 feet each, raising them out of the static water level of the lake. This will allow for easier water access to the overflow and help eliminate water backup into the pipes and onto South Addison Way during rain events. Because of the elevation change of the approach pipe, the approach has been reshaped to accommodate the infrastructure. The approach has been widened for playability and much of the lower left drainage area raised as well. Irrigation in this area was rerouted and many of the heads were raised by 3 feet. Dry areas are currently observed because water was withheld from many areas due to ongoing shaping, curing concrete that could not get wet, and various other reasons. These areas will green up quickly over the next week with additional water. We will be working to prepare this hole until the first group tees off on Wednesday. Final work around the drainage pipes with native grass and rock installation are ongoing all day Tuesday. New, wider, and thicker concrete was poured on April 6th from the first drainage pipe to the green. The remaining cart path will be replaced from the green to 5 tees at a later time. The last step of the process was sod installation that took place April 13th. 42 pallets of rough-cut bluegrass were brought in for the rough and cart path edges. Additionally, 18 pallets of short-cut bluegrass were used on the approach. Once rooting begins, we will work to lower the height of cut for the approach over the course of a few weeks. While the sod roots and other areas heal on hole number 4, we will remain cart path only. We will have rope and stakes spanning the hole accompanied by signage. We also ask that golfers not play from the new sod as it will be marked ground under repair. It is perfectly fine to walk on the new sod, retrieve your ball, and utilize a drop zone or take a drop of your choice using your best judgment. The more cooperation we have over the coming weeks with this matter, the quicker we will be able to get everyone off of the cart paths. Thank you for your understanding while work on holes 4 and 5 took place. We are as happy as you are to have 18 holes of golf open as of April 15th. Stay tuned for further video updates as the project progresses.